In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide product tags in WooCommerce. Whether you're looking to streamline your online store's appearance or create a more focused shopping experience, hiding product tags in WooCommerce is a simple yet effective way to clean up your product pages. So, let's dive right in and make those unwanted product tags disappear. First things first, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your website where all the magic happens. Once you're there, focus your attention on the left-hand menu. This menu is where you can access all the different sections and features of your WordPress site. The section that we're interested in today is Appearance. Go ahead and click on Appearance. This is where you can customize the look and feel of your website, including themes, menus, widgets, and more. Next, you'll see several options under Appearance. What you're looking for now is Customize. Clicking on Customize will take you to the WordPress Customizer, which allows you to make changes to your site's design and appearance on the fly. It's incredibly user-friendly and provides a live preview of any tweaks you make, so you're never flying blind. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to make sure their site looks just right without a lot of guesswork. Now, within the Customizer, there's an option called Additional CSS. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is the language used to describe the look and formatting of a website. By adding CSS code, you can make substantial visual changes to your site. So click on Additional CSS. This is where you can enter custom CSS code to override existing styles or add new ones that specifically suit your needs. Here comes the exciting part. You'll need to paste a specific piece of code that will hide those pesky product tags from your WooCommerce store. Just paste the following CSS code: product.tags, display none. Simple as that. What this code does is tell your site not to display product tags on your product pages. It's like flicking a light switch. Off go the tags. After you've pasted the code, you should see the changes take effect immediately in the preview window of the Customizer. Take a moment to click around your site and check that the product tags are indeed hidden. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to click the Publish button at the top of the Customizer panel to save your changes. This step ensures that your changes are live on your site for all visitors to see. And there you have it. Hiding product tags in WooCommerce is as easy as that. Whether you're enhancing your site's visual appeal or refining the shopping experience for your customers, these small tweaks can make a significant difference. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy customizing.